The Millionaire Next Door. Have you ever wondered why many millionaires don't drive luxury cars, wear designer clothes, or live in giant mansions? According to the book The Millionaire Next Door, most real millionaires are not the people you see showing off wealth on social media. In fact, many of them live ordinary lives and quietly build wealth over time. This best-selling book was written after years of research on wealthy Americans. The authors discovered that true wealth is usually hidden. The first lesson is simple: spend less than you earn. Many high-income people remain financially stressed because they spend everything they make. Real millionaires focus on saving and investing rather than showing off. The second lesson is to live below your means. Just because you receive a raise doesn't mean you need a bigger house or a more expensive car. Wealth grows when your expenses stay under control while your income increases. The third lesson is financial independence. Millionaires value freedom more than status. They want enough investments and assets to support their lifestyle without depending on a paycheck. The fourth lesson is consistent investing. Wealth is rarely created overnight. Successful people invest regularly in stocks, businesses, retirement accounts, and other assets. Small investments made consistently can become significant over time because of compound growth. The fifth lesson is avoiding status symbols.
Many people buy expensive items to impress others. Millionaires often do the opposite. They focus on building net worth instead of maintaining an image. The sixth lesson is planning and budgeting. Most wealthy individuals track their finances carefully. They know where their money goes and make intentional decisions about spending and investing. The seventh lesson is choosing the right career and opportunities. Millionaires often build expertise in a specific field and create value for others. They focus on long-term growth rather than quick money schemes. One of the biggest surprises from the book is that many millionaires live in average neighborhoods and drive practical vehicles. Their wealth is not visible because it is invested, not displayed. The core message of this book is powerful. Being rich and looking rich are two different things. Anyone can appear wealthy by spending money, but true financial success comes from discipline, patience, smart investing, and living below your means. If you start applying these habits today, your financial future could look very different in the years ahead. Remember, wealth is built quietly, while most people are busy trying to look wealthy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more life-changing book insights.